In this video, we're diving into how to start with Xero accounting software. Whether you're just starting or looking for an easier way to manage your finances, Xero has some excellent tools to simplify your accounting. Stick with me, and I'll walk you through how to get started quickly and effectively, even if you're new to the platform. Before we begin, you can get started with Xero for free by clicking the first link in the description below. We've secured an exclusive bonus just for you, so don't miss out. Now let's jump into Xero and take a look at the essentials. First, you'll need to sign up for an account. When you do, you're given access to a clean, user-friendly dashboard that will make all your accounting tasks simpler. Xero's main focus is ease of use, so you don't need to be an accounting expert to get things going. Once you're logged in, Xero presents a simple navigation menu that helps you manage everything. To get started, the first thing you want to do is set up your organization details. This is where you enter basic information, like your business name, address, and tax details. Xero will then help you set up your financial year end, which is important for tax reporting. Next, let's look at the chart of accounts. This is the backbone of your accounting setup. Xero comes with a default set of accounts, but you can customize it to fit your business needs. You'll find categories for income, expenses, assets, liabilities, and equity, all organized for easy tracking of your business transactions. Once your chart of accounts is set up, it's time to connect your bank accounts. This is one of the most useful features of Xero. It allows you to automate your transactions by linking your business bank accounts directly to the software. This means you can track cash flow, expenses, and income in real time without having to manually enter every transaction. After connecting your bank accounts, it's time to start managing invoices. Xero makes this simple with customizable invoice templates. You can create professional-looking invoices, set up recurring invoices, and even automate payment reminders to get paid faster. You can also integrate payment systems like PayPal or Stripe to make it even easier for clients to pay you. Xero also makes expense management simple. You can upload receipts directly to the software and match them with transactions, making bookkeeping more efficient. Plus, Xero automatically calculates tax on sales and purchases, ensuring you stay compliant with local regulations. If you have employees, you can also manage payroll directly in Xero. The software handles everything from pay runs to tax calculations, making sure you stay on top of your obligations. And if you need to generate reports, Xero offers a range of customizable reports, such as profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Now, one of the most powerful features of Xero is its integrations. Xero connects to hundreds of third-party apps to enhance its functionality. Whether you need inventory management, project tracking, or CRM software, chances are there's an integration that fits your needs. To wrap things up, Xero accounting software offers a streamlined, user-friendly solution for small businesses and freelancers. Setting up is quick and easy, and once you're up and running, the software offers powerful tools to help you manage your finances effortlessly. Plus, with our exclusive offer, you can start using Xero completely free and get additional bonuses when you sign up through the link in the description below. If you've made it this far, I hope you now feel more confident about starting with Xero accounting software. Don't forget to check out that free trial offer.